Is your composite deck looking tired and faded? Here are the 4 options you need to know from the Cabot's water-based composite range to get it looking great again. At Cabot's, we love timber, but composite decks still need care too. Whether that's a quick clean or an entire colour transformation, Cabot's has a solution for you. Cabot's Composite Cleaner is your go-to everyday cleaner for removing anything from dirty foot traffic to bird droppings. And if you need to tackle any tough, stubborn stains, then Cabot's Composite Stain Remover comes in a ready-to-use, handy trigger pack. Both the cleaner and stain remover can be used on all types of composite. Now that your deck is looking clean, our next products are designed specifically for uncapped composite decks. If you have either of these ranges on the screen, these are uncapped and suitable to coat. And if you're not sure of the range, take a look at the end of the board. It's got a plastic outer edge, it's capped. If it doesn't, it is uncapped and it's able to have its colour revived or transformed with the following products. If you want to refresh the existing colour of your deck, then Cabot's Composite Revive is ideal. It is easy to use, you only need 1 coat, and you'll be back on your deck in an hour. If you're after more than a refresh and want to change the colour of your composite deck entirely, use the Cabot's Composite Transform. It comes in 3 different colours: grey, brown and deep red. Again, only 1 coat is needed and you'll be back on your deck in 1 hour. So there you have it. From a quick clean to a total colour makeover, it's possible to get your tired and faded composite decking looking its best with the Cabot's Composite range.